Hello everyone, welcome to Bahasa Inggris Terapan, English for specific purposes for psychology. Yeah, now we are going to discuss about your result. Some of you have done submitting the assignment related with the 3 points of the previous instruction. Yeah, the title is about the effects of violent video game habits on adolescent hostility, aggressive behaviors, and school performance. Yeah, we have those variables. Yeah, so let's review whether it is not given in your assignment. Yeah, what is the dependent variable and what is the independent variable? Yeah, we can see that the independent is about the violent video game exposure, the habits. Yeah, then does it influence on first adolescent hostility, yeah, second aggressive behavior, and third school performance? So the adolescent hostility, aggressive behavior, and school performance are the dependent variable. Okay, so we need to focus on the 3 points, which is the relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Yeah, the exposure, the amounts of video game violence with the teacher, or I mean the students, yeah, arguments to teacher. The second one, uh, the student which involved with physical fighting when have exposing, they had exposed, they has been exposed, so sorry, for the video game violence. Then the third is the school performance. Yeah, then I will remind you about the instruction that you need to find further information in the journal. Yeah, so this is not about other journals. This is not about other topic, other references. Yeah, but this is about the content of our journal, which entitled "The Effect of Violent Video Games Habit on Adolescent Hostility, Aggressive Behavior, and School Performance." Why I repeat and remind you about this in this feedback, we find it as the main point because several students did it already. Yeah, I saw your assignment already. Then I took it from the random sample here. Yeah, parents often ask blah blah blah. So uh, this reference say that this is the common sense, and then the jury is still out. Yeah, I feel curious about it because it is not in the journal content. Then I do cross check the content. Yeah, it is right that this is outside of our journal content. Yeah, you can do it in other contexts, but for the assignment you need to focus to the journal. Yeah, you can take the reason, the source from the journal, so you need to avoid these mistakes. Yeah, okay, that's the first point. Yeah, the other one, the same things. Yeah, the research journal conducted by Arenta Ayu Pitakasari Kandar Agung Berbudi. Yeah, this is the summary of other journals, not from our journal. Yeah, that's why please be focused on uh, our journal. Next, the other feedbacks. Yeah, some of you, it's just a few actually, uh, already focus on the questions. Yeah, getting into arguments with the teacher more frequently. Okay, but if we see the answer doesn't correlate with the title, getting into arguments, because here as we can see it is not about the teacher argument, getting argument with the teacher, so sorry, but this is about the school performance, gameplay and grades, video games and poor grades. Can you guess what should it be? It should be for number 3 answer. Yeah, not for number 1. That's why do not just copy pasting, yeah, the answer, but please match with the requirement of the questions. Yeah, It is for the argument with teacher, not about the school performance. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah, this is the correct one. So getting into arguments with teacher more frequently. Yeah, the student shows the data. 23% of children reported getting into arguments with the teachers almost weekly. Yeah, blah blah blah. And then till compare it with the statistical finding. Then the other students here in the bottom have the same way. Then analyze it with the male and female and something like that. So this is the appropriate answer, showing evidence and have the source from the class journal. Yeah, it is proven that getting into arguments with teachers more frequently are influenced by the video games exposure. Yeah. Then we go to the next feedback at second point, point 2. Here, the question is about the video exposure with once again before the school performance with the physical fight. Yeah. Okay. Here we have, in addition to low markers and the media. So sorry. Yeah, from this answer, can you see, in addition to law markers and the media, blah, 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 murder simulators, Grossman, please find it in our journal. There is no references about Grossman and then this kind of citation, ya. Once again, same with the point 1. Jadi sama tadi dengan point 1. Point 2 ini juga ditemukan adanya jawaban yang di luar jurnal. Ya, okay. For the short way, ya, to make it quick, sometimes we find it in Google and find with the general references. Yeah, you can have it. Yeah, for your knowledge, for our knowledge. But from this assignment context, we need to analyze deeper on the journal content. Tadi ini diambil dari referensi di luar jurnal. Ya, this is our feedback. Ya, it is not appropriate. Ya, here. Karena tugasnya bukan di luar jurnal, tapi tentang jurnal itu. Okay, we'll continue. Yeah, the other main feedback, yeah, instead of inappropriate references from other source, this is about the introduction section. So, like this. Some of us, yeah, the students answer, get the reasons, yeah, it is about the correlation between the student exposure on the video game and with the argument with the teacher, then the second one with the physical fight, then the third one about the school performance. But it is not about the main reason. This is still about the previous research. Yeah. So if we can see on the journal, page 6 till 8 or till 9, yeah, those pages are discussing about the previous research. The other finding from several journals, several books, several references that switch with the current title. So this is not the main reason, ya. Something like that. Among the games that you play ini diambil dari halaman 7. Halaman 7 itu tentang introduction. Masih tentang pembukaan dan ini bukan atau belum not 100% the result of the research. Ya, that's why we need to focus on like this ya. Ini sudah masuk ke isi, masuk ke bahasan setelah adanya data statistika yang ditunjukkan. So you can see after the finding there are a discussion, then you can take the reference, the reason for the physical fight that is influenced by the video game exposure. Yeah, here. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Yeah, I took it from random students ya that answer correctly. Okay, the other one ya, from the point 3 ini yang tentang apa namanya hubungannya yang video exposure ya with the school performance. Ini saya ambil dari halaman 6-nya ya. This is the effects of amount of video game play on school performance ya. Ini masih tentang previous study ya. Kalau kita lihat ini like a theory from many references. Jadi kita ngambil teori itu bisa dari untuk ini ya, the research theory, theoretical review, atau satunya tentang previous research. Nah, ini belum tentang resultnya, ini masih tentang previous research. Ya, so this is not the main answer. Ya, tapi bisa untuk mensupport saja ya. You can have it as a supporting answer. Nah, seperti ini contohnya. Ini terdapat di halaman 6 misalnya. Jadi ini this is not the main answer. Ya, karena apa nanti masih ambigu. So sorry for saying it in bahasa karena penelitian sebelumnya masih ada yang belum ditemukan jawabannya. Masih ada yang misalnya ini. Effects of amount of video game play on school performance. A number of study have shown a negative association between amount of video game play and school performance for children. Nah, nanti kalau membahas menggarisbawahi semua, ditangkap semua, ini bingung. Enggak, ini the previous research, penelitian-penelitian terdahulu yang masih menunjukkan macam-macam hasilnya. Lalu ada negative association, right? Nah, itu. Jadi hubungannya bertimbal balik seperti perform more purely in school. Harris and William ini juga masih mengacu ke previous research. Nah, itu boleh tapi hanya untuk supporting aja. Oke. Nah, yang benar bagaimana ya? We got to the content, to the discussions ya. Ini ada negatively associated with school grade tapi didukung oleh ini page 9 and page 13 itu misalnya. It is because the video game exposure can be consist of two sides, right? Educational games ya, probably be less likely to show a corresponding deficit in school performance. Less likely to show. Jadi kalau banyak lihat video game-nya, performance-nya to show corresponding deficit in school performance ya itu. Violence video games, it is directly and negatively associated with the school performance. Itu sudah ada di sini. Nah, yang lainnya tentang parental limits ya. Ada hubungannya sedikit ya. Violent video game play are negatively correlated with the fights and argument. Oke, tetapi apa? Positively correlated with school performance. Jadi, kalau ada batasan untuk melihat video game yang dibatasi oleh orang tua, ya ada batasan umur kan itu nanti yang positively correlated with school performance. Tuh. Ya, jadi hasil-hasilnya kita bisa lihat, we can see from the content of the journal. Nah, ini yang general feedback ya, yang umum ya, tidak tentang poin-poin itu. Not many, but I found some. Thanks, sir. Yeah, it is already indicated that the students do the assignment or the quiz. But if we see the answer, this is not the answer. It is not the appropriate answer. Just saying thank you, right? Ya, besok kalau ngisi juga harap diisi apa namanya jawabannya ya. Ya, ini mungkin kalau untuk sisipan misalnya di minggu-minggu yang tidak ada tugas boleh. Tetapi kalau ada di minggu tugas ini ya sementara saya kasih nilai minimal sekali ya. Oke. Oke. Sorry. The answer for number 1 here is not about the questions ya. Number 1 but still about general information about many aspect of the research. So sorry. Ini ada contoh tapi ke delete ya. Maksudnya di sini ada jawaban dari siswa yang answer for number 1 but this is not for number 1. Jadi masih ada pembahasan umum tentang ketiganya, tentang school performance, ya juga tentang apa namanya physical fight seperti itu. So it has many answer. Okay. Yeah, the highlight that need to be done here is about the journal. Ya, has an introduction part on page 6 till 9. Ini kebanyakan yang salah di sini. Ya, walaupun banyak juga yang benar ya, tetapi I want to make a highlight to you that in introduction we have apa toh isinya introduction itu ya, rata-rata isinya defining terms used in the study, then laying out the history of the topic you are studying. So if we see the title ya, we need to discuss it before ya, the preceding discussion in the introduction related with the topic of our research. Then after that, we need to know our aim and objective of our study. Ya, what do you intend to demonstrate based on the topic above? What controversy will you address? Untuk menarik kan nanti, oh ya ini perlu diteliti. What news area of the topic will you explore? Nah nanti kalau tentang satunya lagi yang kaitannya dengan bahasan kita yang page 6 till 9 itu adalah previous study. Justifying your study or research. Why is your study important or necessary? Lalu ada perbandingan dengan penelitian-penelitian terdahulu yang topiknya hampir sama. Tapi tentu tidak sama persis karena we are different. This journal is different with the previous research. That's the point. How it's not just repeating the work already done, right? It's already mentioned. What makes your study worth carrying out? Jadi dalam bahasa simple, what is your uniqueness of the research? What is the research uniqueness? Why it is different with others? What is the novelty? Kalau ingat saat scientific writing kemarin ya, novelty kebaruannya apa? Nah, jadi kadang previous study itu membahas hal-hal tersebut. Nggak hanya tentang result, but also the method, the way, and extra. Nah, kalau kita hanya konsen ke situ nanti, bukan konten dari penelitiannya. Maksudnya bukan, it is not the finding of the research yet. Still part of it, still about the introduction